while other ice makers obsess over quantity. Euhomy spent years perfecting ice that vanishes like magic.
Ice, ice, baby.
World's first countertop CRESCENT ice maker. Probably the last ice machine your kitchen will ever need. Saves you 4 g of syrup per drink. Alright, let's get started. You might not find its control panel at first glance, it's hidden right here. Though the buttons are few, the functions are incredibly comprehensive. Easy to start. Blue light means inaction, making ice. Yellow light means I'm thirsty, needs refilling. Purple light means I'm full, ice bin is stocked. Now, let's dive into the heart of this technology and its incredibly soothing magic. This bad boy rocks a dual capillary system. That's how we squeeze out an extra 10% cooling punch compared to your grandpa's ice machines. Crafted with the flow ice making process, these ice cubes are crystal clear, bubble-free, and deliver pure taste with exceptional hardness and durability. Unique crescent-shaped, solid ice molds require strict temperature control for smooth, uniform shapes and non-stick release. Thoughtfully designed evaporator layout prevents ice from sticking.
Ice, ice, baby.
Compared to bullet ice and cube ice, CRESCENT ice demonstrates far superior clarity. We prepared 3 types of ice cubes of equal weight, placed them in identical amounts of water, and observed which type remained the most after half an hour. I believe many people will like this thickness adjustment function, thickness adjustable across 10 levels, ranging from -5 to 5. 10 millimeter, never water down your cold brew. 14 millimeter, fizz that lasts till the last sip. 6.5 millimeter, clink like a mixologist. Additionally, it features a timer and self-cleaning function. For detailed instructions, follow and check out our next video. Alright folks, time to go live inside the drink lab. Let's dive into the minty waves together. Fruit juice crashing into coffee? What kind of crazy flavor alchemy is about to go down? Float through a liquid sapphire dreamscape.